Designing learning experiences goes beyond lesson and unit planning. It's not about simply getting through a scope and sequence or a curriculum map. The first part of the standard suggests that coaches work with teachers at a more holistic level to design learning experiences with the needs of the student in mind, all students. But what does that mean? Noted professor and learning theorist David Merrill summarized decades of research on how to effectively promote learning in his widely disseminated First Principles of Instruction. Review the principles and reflect on learning experiences you've had that align. Compare those that align to those that do not. Consider how you might use these principles to support a conversation with colleagues about designing relevant and engaging learning experiences that still meet academic outcomes. Most teachers have access to a variety of digital resources that can help create and implement engaging lessons and learning for all students. But note that the first principles don't mention technology. In fact, Nicole Kruger suggests that one of the best ways EdTech coaches can reach teachers is to stop talking about technology, at least initially. While technology may be a strength of yours, that's not the case for many teachers. So beginning your collaborative conversations with what teachers need to meet instructional goals can help get coaches to create connections with many teachers. All teachers can talk about instruction, and good EdTech coaches can later leverage instructional needs through relevant technologies. As you review resources on the goal-setting handout, determine how they support you in your work with teachers. Consider the action steps you can take and the evidence you can collect to demonstrate you can assist teachers to design relevant and engaging learning for all students. Many of these resources and their associated tasks can be found in the FCPS On Toolkit. The toolkit is too extensive to complete in about an hour, but you may want to refer to it for additional resources or tasks to meet your learning goals to demonstrate the standard.